button with Cara style. First thing is that you want to thread your needle. I like to fold my thread in half and then insert it this way so I can have a loop lock in the back, and this secures it very well. Then I mark an X with my thread to know the placement of the button. Next up and last step really is to sew across the eye of the button. Then I loop around the thread to strengthen my stitch and you're done. That's pretty much it. You have a nice tension in the back. You secure it. Come back to Cara style for more easy sewing hacks and tips. Keep on shining.
Okay, so how to sew a button. So you need thread, needle, button and your item. So first pick a button and make sure it fits through the hole by just pushing it through once. And then you're going to do your dreams up and make a little mark where you want the button to go. Then from there you're going to firstly attach the thread to the item, tie your knot, and then where you've got your marking, that's going to guide you for where to start your sewing. And on the button you want to go in a crisscross, so diagonal through diagonal the other direction. And you actually don't want it to be too tight. It needs to still let the fabric fit through it when you do it up. Then on the back you just want to tie a knot to finish that off. I do this weird little knot that someone taught me at some point, but just if you need to do lots of little knots, that's fine. Just make sure it's nice and secure. And then you're good.
I know nobody wants to have to sew a button, but we gotta stay warm this winter, folks. Here I'm going to show you how to sew a button. So first I mark it where I need it. I just do a little cross, but sometimes you'll have leftover holes from where the button fell out. So then you're going to thread your needle with 4 threads and loop it through one hole and cross stitch it and sew under. Then I like to stick a needle in just to suspend the button. Then I stick the needle through the empty hole and cross stitch it again, and I do this over and over again until you feel that it's strong. Now I can remove my needle and I'm going to sew the thread through it and wrap it and wrap it and wrap it until you get dizzy. Just kidding. So when you feel that it's strong, we can now work on making the knot to secure it and then send it back underneath. Now I'm just going to cut off the excess thread, and here you can see that I have a double button, so if you want to learn how to do that, please let me know. But I hope that this helped, and stay warm this winter. Bye!